In this tutorial, I will shortly show you all the features of these tools. The first is a spawnable stack common object, and I use this only one object in all my stacks. It's well organized and everything controlled here. I don't think I have to explain what do they do. It's easy to understand. I want to show you how to easily use this. You can press simulate, and in simulation mode you can press these buttons. They will show what this stack do: slowly destroy, fly, or any other things. You can then use these events in your sequencer. Just open a sequencer and trigger these events when you want. If you want to modify or check these events, go to your spawnable stack common blueprint and see the events and how they are called. But the buttons respectively called as the events. So it's very easy to understand what they do and to use them in sequencing. One thing I want to mention here is if you want to use this mesh without randomization, you have to uncheck this button, random static mesh, or for random materials, because if you check this will override the initial random map. It's not possible in Unreal to hide this option if you check the box. What? And the next feature I want you to explain is how to use My Collider. My Collider is a standalone blueprint which uses this fly down menu to select any types of action you want to happen with our blueprint spawn content. For example, if you can press grow from 0, you can press simulate, and when you collide, it grows from 0. This happens only with our vegetables. For example, now you can press vacuum cleaner, and when you press objects which are suitable for this, they will be cleaned. Next, you can, for example, simulate physics with velocity, and when you collide something with which can simulate physics, you see they can simulate physics with collision. So this is very easy to use and easy customize. For example, you can go to your to our blueprint, find types of action, and add any actions you want. Then you can go to your blueprint face collider and populate these meshes with the events. One good feature is that all our spawnable objects are in one file, so you can easily call any custom events here and make them happen in one blueprint. So what you have to understand, I use one blueprint for spawns, one blueprint for spawnable objects, and one blueprint for collider, and also one blueprint for spawning wedges on the fields. And select a class, common field objects I use for fields, or you can spawn static meshes or any other class. Here is our generator to spawn some items. I made it for vacuum cleaner, and you can easily use it with PCG if you want, or you can make your own sets. The sets are located here. BPL communication library, and here are our sets. For example, geometry elements, wedges, and trash. You can add any elements here, and when you select what you here want to spawn, just select what you want, and they will be spawned randomly or not randomly. Okay, and the last one here is our piles. Here it is. Here are our controls of it. So here you can, for example, easily destroy your pile, or you can load it from a save, or if you, for example, don't like it, you can simulate and spawn any types of object. and then you can easily save or load it again.